Good morning, everyone. It's June 16th of 2025. I hope everyone had a great Father's Day. The market's gapping up this morning. And to be honest with you, I'm not too shocked by it because on Friday it seemed like the whole world was going to end because of the news. And one of the things that you'll learn within the market is that one day does not make a trend. And that was something that took me a very, very long time to understand because I found that when I shorted the market, I was always hoping that the world would end somehow, right? Or some negative news would come out. And basically, after I went back through and I looked at when I shorted and why I shorted and where I shorted, more importantly, where I shorted, I quickly realized that I bought into the doom and gloom, and it was really more or less just a pullback from the highs. And so, my challenge for you is to get you to shut off the news and to only trade price because all the people who shorted on Friday, they're not in a good place right now. All right, I'll get off my soapbox. Let's look at the watch list for today. For a lot of the new members, this is how I do this. This is my scan within my basket right here. And if you're wondering what that means, this is my basket full of stocks. And this is something that I created. And you're beginning to understand I'm stressing I because I really believe you have to design the market around you. And so if you hear the word I a lot, it's not because I am trying to be this guy who's trying to tell you how it should be. I'm really stressing that you need to take the time and design this market to do what you want. And then once it does that, you will start to make better decisions and you will start to make money. So this basket is one that I created, and these are all the stocks that I'm willing to trade, whether it be stock or options. And the script that I have is for this full time frame continuity against my basket to tell me what are they buying. And some of you who were with me on the weekend, we went over what full time frame continuity really means and how we can start to use this to our advantage. But understand this in a nutshell. When you have the five bigger time frames, the year, the quarter, the month, the week, and the day, the one you have to focus on is the smallest. Let me say that again. The smallest, because it is going to be the first one to trigger. And because of that, I am going to sort this by day, and we can see that we have CrowdStrike, Roblox, BKD, Disney, Ferguson. These right here, these stocks right here are set up to go because if you're a strat trader, you like inside days, right? Or if you're like me, you like 2-2 reversals. And so these five stocks right here are set up according to how I do things with full time frame continuity. Now, you could also drill down in here and you could look at this and say, well, Phil, these are three bars right here. And yes, you're right. These are also set up. So these are the ones that you should be focused on. Look at how they're set up. And if you use an intraday chart like I do, like a 160 minute, and some of you do, you will begin to understand what I'm looking at. All right, focus on these. That's it. Don't want to make this too long. Trade them well.